helps us understand how matter and energy interact, from tiny particles to complete systems. For example, riding a motorcycle. And that is the principle of combustion physics that allowed the engine to convert fuel into motion. Another example, charging a cell phone. And that is a physics principle. Electric current and voltage are essential for charging our phones. Did you know that physics is an important element in the education of chemists, engineers, and computer scientists, as well as practitioners of the other physical and biomedical sciences? Measurements and conversion of units. Measurements are determining the quantity, dimension, or the extent of something. Conversion of units is not changing of measurements from one unit to another, such as from inches to centimeter or pounds to kilograms. For example, in the classroom, measurements for chairs by measuring in feet or meters by using these. Being charged of this during a person is running, we rely on units of kilogram or distances. For example, converting kilometers to meters from the starting point to end point that we ran help us know how far we ran with any units. Measurements and conversion of units are particularly useful for planning events, conducting science experiments, and managing supplies, or even converting distance between building on campus.
In physics, force is defined as a push or pull on an object. Everything we experience forces, even when we don't realize it. Force is a pull and push that can cause an object to move and change direction. When the values is a principle we apply force. Force doesn't just stop object, it can make them go faster and change direction or even stop them completely. When Caballos started his motorbike and go right, he sets his motorbike into motion. The more force he uses, the faster he goes. Objects can move in different ways, straight, curve, or even stop and start. This is all due to motion. Gravity pulls him down the hill, making him speed up, and friction on the ground tries to slow him down. Even if he stops, motion hasn't disappeared. It simply pause, forces the gravity, friction, and it's all gripping all work together.
Hi guys, let's talk about work, energy, and power. And first, let's talk about work. Work happens when the force moves an object over a distance. So if you push a motorcycle and it moves, you're doing work. Work equals to times distance. Finally, power tells us how quickly work is done. Push the motorcycle to move using more power. Power is work done over time. Next, we have energy, the ability to do work. A motorcycle needs energy to move, and it gives the energy from fuel. Without fuel, the motorcycle was unable to go anywhere. In summary, work is action, energy is the fuel, power is help us to get it done. Simple, right?
Hey everyone, today we're exploring to the important science of heat and temperature. Come on, let's break them down. First, let's talk about heat. Heat is the energy produced in objects to different temperatures. We see heat in action all over school. For example, we often use lights cool down because of the heat within the walls around us. Now, let's talk about temperature. Temperature tells us how hot or cold something is. It is a measure of average energy particles in an object. For instance, when checking the temperature outside, it can pass no, heat, umbrella, or some shade. So remember, heat is energy in motion and temperature tells us how hot or cold something is. See you next time!
Particularly,
First, let's talk about heat.
focus you get is